we are headed to pick up some Honda Groms. But before we even do that, we just finalized, ladies and gentlemen, our PDF. Our ATM workshop is dialed in. If those of you are interested in getting into the ATM business and actually generating cash flow, I here have a PDF to send you, so definitely drop in the comment section below and or shoot me a message on Instagram and we'll get you guys this information. But I'm telling you, man, this is going to be next level. We are going to be creating some massive successes inside the ATM business. Let's go talk about it. Got a night here. Okay. Sunday, you're chilling, you're bored, ain't nothing going on. You call up the boys. The boys are like, hey, meet at the office. We're going on a roll. Yeah. We all pick up Honda Groms today.
What would you ever do with these things?
You just drive them around, dude. You just drive around.
Just go for a rip.
Just all the boys.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Are you down?
Yeah, you know what I mean?
I thought it was going to take a little bit more convincing. In my head, I was like, I got this down. Every rebuttal, everything. Let's do it. So I think we just go ahead and make it happen. We got the boys. Just so you guys know, we got Maria. Sorry, Maria. We're gonna go make it happen. We have Tyler here. Tyler's a little kiddo. He's a nice guy. Guys, I can drive. We just gotta sit in my Subi. Tyler's mom, he called, was like, hey, can I get a Honda Grom? Didn't happen. I talked to Brendan. Brendan's like, I'm game. We gotta talk to Cody V. Cody V said, I'm in, bro. Look at these guys. Crammed.
Crammed in the boobaroo.
Here. Yeah, this is it right here.
It's the Honda store.
And get out of 202. I'll do it. Alright, take it for a ride for us real quick. Look at that LED front light, man. Yeah. You'll be able to see the world. Oh, okay, just right there. Oh yeah, I killed it.
Rock, paper, scissors, loser gets the 2020. On shoot.
Okay. Alright,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, everyone is good.
Oh, no, we gotta do it again. We gotta do it again.
You know what you guys need is 3 coins.
Oh, okay. All right, ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
As soon as they land. This one's Brendan.
I got heads.
Tails.
Heads.
You got 2020.
2020.
All right.
2020. There you go.
We're sitting in the finance room here. We're making a purchase. It goes me, Brendan, and then Cody V. We're all 3, potentially Zaybak. Zaybak, are you gonna buy one, bro? We're buying some Honda Groms, so us boys can rip them around, have some fun, enjoy sunny Scottsdale, essentially, and go for a ride with the boys. So we're gonna finish up this process. Gonna pay for this thing, and we're gonna go rip the town. We'll see you guys in a second. Technical difficulties, massive. Brandon Grace is dead. He just bought it. We're literally sitting in the parking lot. And Cody V literally thought it would die every single time he put it into first gear. Comes to find out, he had the kickstand down the entire time. Here's an inserted clip of Cody V trying to actually go in first gear really quick. What's going on there, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys. It's another morning. Last vlog yesterday, you guys saw it. We tried buying Groms. 2 of the boys bought Groms. Other problems, other issues, the whole 9. So we're gonna redo that vlog, but we're gonna add that vlog into this vlog. So it's gonna be gangster cover.
What's up?
Alright guys, we're gonna head to the office right now. We got a busy day ahead of us. I'm still trying to buy a Grom, so we're working on that. They're working on that today. I think we might have an ATM install, but I'll kind of share with you guys a little bit about our ATM installs now. So I used to do them, my partner also used to do them, or just random guys that worked with us used to do our ATM installs. Now we have a professional actually go install these ATMs. So it saves us time, it saves us money, it saves us energy, but really mainly only time is what it saves us. We have a guy named John. He's actually our full-time installer, which is super easy for the business, which I super highly recommend if you guys are in the ATM business and you guys are scaling. Like, you need to get an installer. Like, you should not be the one that's installing the ATM. By the time I finish installing an ATM, I could have sold like 3 or 4 or 5 more ATMs. And I just want you guys to realize that. I want you guys to understand that leveraging other people is always the right answer, okay? I just got an email an hour ago that the Maserati will be getting worked on over the next probably week and a half to 2 weeks. So within 2 weeks, you guys will see me have my Maserati back. Drop in the comment section below what you guys would like to see me buy, because I'm going to be getting rid of that car the second I get it back. Like, the second I get it back, I'm literally going to be trading it back in. So whatever you guys would like to see me drive on YouTube, I've got a lot of people that say, Austin, I think you should do a Tesla. I think you should do a bunch of other things. Let me know what you guys would like to see us drive, what you guys would like to see us do some content on, because the Maserati is going to be no longer. We're going to show up to the office. We'll show you inside the scoop. If you're watching this right now, I hope you have an incredible day, and I think you will. If you're not fired up, go fire yourself. So we're headed into the office right now. I got my hydration. We're gonna make some things happen today, ladies and gents. Okay, Lewis behind the camera, show him.
I don't look very good right now.
What up, Kay? That's Kelsey Lewis, ladies and gents. That's the woman behind the magic. Come on, let's roll. Just sat down at the office. We're gonna upload a YouTube video. If you guys haven't already, go subscribe to the A&A show in the description below. All right, ladies and gents, we're going to the Subway way. Not the one that you drive or ride, but the one that you eat and munch. I'm telling you guys right now, you know, pay your taxes, man. Make sure you guys pay your taxes. If you guys are working on 2019, if you guys haven't worked on 2018, definitely pay your 2018. Typically, business owners don't pay before April 15th just because they like to leverage their money, because you can have your money make more money rather than paying it to the government, assuming that your business actually makes money. And I'll be honest, guys, a lot of people's businesses don't make money, so you know, it is what it is. Drum roll.
Okay. Okay. All right.
But in the comment section below, we're talking Zay back into getting one of these things. This is what we just bought.
I honestly really could be to go buy it. Yeah.
You got the gray?
Yeah, I did.
That was the one. Uh-huh.
Wait.
I lost my first tooth.
Oh. YOLO.
Oh, buddy.
Hang on, sis.
I'm gonna need you to rip it off.
Let me hold it.
Ow, ow, Austin, be careful. I really do have a fast head, dude. I told you this is no joke.
No, here, I'll do this. You do that.
We got a full send or no send?
Yep. Alright, guys. Honda Grom. 10 out of 10 rating, Cody V says. So, if you guys are wondering, my hair's a little messed up, it's all good. If you guys are wondering on getting some Honda Groms, highly recommend you guys getting the Groms.
Full send.
Cody V's here, ladies and gents. The whole squad's picking them up. Definitely recommend the Honda Groms. We're gonna change. What color are you gonna change yours, Cody?
Oh, bro, I think we're gonna do like red or blue tiger camo or something.
Oh, I like that, man. That's gonna be sick. Ladies and gents, we're gonna wrap this vlog up here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys haven't already, make sure and go smash that like button. If you haven't already, make sure and go drop in the comment section below what you guys would like to see in future videos. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. You guys are the reason that we continue to produce free content for those of you that are subscribed to this channel. So if you haven't already, make sure and go subscribe, and we'll see you guys in some future vlogs. Grom Squad.